Hey, how's it going? Welcome to my new house. In this video, I'm gonna give you guys a full exclusive tour of all of it, all right? So before we go inside, I wanted to start off by showing you guys my personal favorite part. This is what distinguishes the house the most, in my opinion, which is the garage, okay? I spent the last 4 months, I kid you not, 4 months, every single day trying my hardest to find a house, okay? I'm finding these houses with, that are big and nice, with 2-car garages, 3 cars, and if you guys know me on the channel here, you know I really have a big passion for cars. That's one of my hobbies. So to me, having a large garage space was very important, and I like space. So finally found the house, got it, moved in like 4 days ago. It's basically empty, but I'm gonna show you guys the layout, what we got. It's kind of a mess, so stick with us, but I'm gonna give you the full tour of the crazy backyard, the garage. So let's head over to the garage real quick. All right, so over here we have 2 different 2-car garages. In my opinion, these are very deep and very wide. You could probably fit 5 cars in here if you wanted to. As you can see by the space, I mean, the cars, they got an extra like 8 feet. You can probably park one in the middle. So this is technically a 5-car garage because there's one more port over here. But I'm gonna show you guys, this is the best for the parking situation. I actually had to pull the cars out because, as you'll be seeing in probably a video or 2 from now, I got a couple new cars. I'm gonna make a video breaking that down, showing you the cars and introducing it. Just gotta put that together, so I don't wanna spoil anything in this video. But so 2 2-car garages, a single car port there, and then there's this big RV parking, which is like another 3 to 4 cars. So let's check this out. We've got the M4, as you guys obviously know. The Lamborghini is actually not here right now. It's in the shop getting some service done. But anyways, you could probably fit at least 3, probably 4 cars inside of here. It's huge. And there's this crazy part. There's like another little house over here. So this is completely detached from the main house. To be honest, I have no idea what we're gonna do with this, but come on in, check it out. How do I turn on the light? I've only been in here one time. Yeah, maybe like a bathroom or closet. It's a room. If anyone wants to move in, I don't know. Why not? So we'll head out this way real quick. So it's like technically a 9-car. I mean, you could probably squeeze 10. I have nowhere near that many vehicles, but as you guys will see soon, I got a few new ones coming. Let's open this up. Appreciate you for filming. All right, let's head out. It's a little bit windy out. I do apologize for that. I don't have my mic. I don't have anything yet. Still moving in. But here's one of the great features that I love about this house. I'm super excited to live here and be able to work here. But it has a big hole in the ground. And most people might be like, why do you have a big hole in the ground? This is for a trampoline. And now that gets me excited because they're a lot of fun. So we got to get one, measure it out, make sure it's the right size, but there's literally an indoor trampoline spot, which is a big, big hole. In my opinion, that's a big bonfire pit as well. So maybe that'll help. I don't know if it's true. So this to me is probably one of the most beneficial and unique features besides the garage is the pool. So not only is it a way, way bigger than necessary pool, but it's actually 12 feet deep over here. So that enables me, which I have, and I'll probably insert a clip, jumping off the roof. It's cool, you got this little platform up here. I'll see if I can get a video of it at night. I mean, there's different lights in here. There's like fountains. Spit out this way out of every pillar. So it's really cool. It's a swim up bar, as you can see. There's a full grill, 5 seats all around. So yeah, it's definitely a really unique property. And then we head on over here. We haven't been able to get the hot tub working yet. And you might be like, well, dude, by the way, this house is in Arizona. I live between Arizona and California. You might be like, well, dude, it's way too hot for a hot tub. Not at night. It feels really good after the cold pool. So these are all found and stood up over. There's like a little yard space back here, which is cool. So it's like fully enclosed, and then there's water over the fence. So a pretty gross hot tub. They need to come in and fix it still. But anyways, yeah, it's definitely a really, really cool, big, spacious backyard, which was hard to find. And then again, alongside the garage there, I didn't show you behind the gate. I'll show you after, but there's like 4 more parking spots, which is insane. So I plan on over here probably putting some sort of fire pit and like seating area with lights inside of here, just to have a good spot to hang out with your friends at night. So yeah, that's one of the really cool things. Let's go head inside. Personally, one of the only things, but that I don't like, but it kind of flows well, is the fence. You legally have to have a fence around your pool because of kids and dogs. So in my opinion, this integrates very, very well into it. You know, I see a lot of pools where it's like right here next to the pool, there's just like a big fence all the way around it, and it looks really bad, but yeah, definitely can't complain with this situation. So we're gonna jump inside. You might have seen the house from the outside and said, maybe that's a 1-story. This is what's also really deceptive about the house. It's actually a 3-story house, which is really rare to find. Now, I don't say that just to say it, but I grew up in my parents' basement, so I'm like a basement kid, and there's a basement here, which usually doesn't happen out here. So it's kind of cool. I definitely plan on making my office there, but I'm gonna show you the temporary office here. My eyes are all adjusted to the light. Can they see me well? Is it adjusting good? Mm-hmm. There we go. So yeah, this is like gonna be a YouTube studio from right here, if you wanna bring them to this angle so you can kind of see. We got the big Freddy the Teddy, the big bear, subscribe sign that lights up, and a couple little decorations and extra cameras. So yeah, this will be a fun 1 of 2 YouTube studios. I plan on putting one in probably the big garage. It's like an oven in there, so I'm gonna have to get air conditioning or something. But I wanna be able to film videos with like 4 or 5 cars in the background. So that'll be cool, but until then, this is a really, really well air conditioned office that feels so nice because we've had multiple issues with the heating before. We couldn't really, like the main room is all really hot. I have no idea. But let's show them the master real quick. All right, this, oh, there's no light in the hall, I guess. Anyways, again, nothing's really set up too much yet, but through together the bed, we've still got some wall art right down there, some more here. That stuff's probably gonna go in the office. Got a big TV that's gonna go up here, and it has one of these things to hide the wires, which is great. Standing desk. It's insane, because I don't know, maybe you probably can't see it too well on camera, but this is like a 15-foot ceiling. So it's pretty big. As well as how excessive this is. This right here is my laundry hamper because the washer and dryer still hasn't come in yet. Anyway, so I'm just putting them all in there. But I mean, this is a massive, like, this is a really cool, check this out, bring me. Look at this shower for a second, okay? Like, what is this? There's this, like, it is crazy. It's really high ceilings, and it echoes a lot. So you can kind of walk in and out both sides. It's kind of a strange bathroom. I mean, there's no doors inside of it, really. I mean, I guess the closet over here there is. Let me turn on the light. It's over here, but. And then here's the closet, which I'm trying to collect some shoes, I guess. I love my Yeezys and skateboard shoes, so that's about it. But yeah, just been slowly filling everything out, and this is basically all my clothes besides what's over there in the bathtub. And then they got, what do they call this thing again? The butt cleaner?
Yeah, butt cleaner.
The bidet?
The bidet.
I don't know, that's way too fancy for it, but they got one of those. Yeah, so that's the master. Just got it decorated with some stuff, like a dresser and like a TV on the wall. So that's about it, but it's all the adult stuff that I don't really care to do. Anyways, let's take you to the main area of the house. This is a 5-bedroom house. Fun fact, I don't know too much about it. It's like 6,200 square feet and change. I believe it was built in the 1990s and then renovated like 7 years ago. So, or 8 years ago. So yeah, I mean, this is not the absolute wildest place, but I completely love it. So we'll take you guys in here. Let you meet good old Corey. Kitchen. What's up, bud? So here's the kitchen. Put a little sign up on there that says do what you love. Always keep that around you. Yeah, little living room. I brought my couch over here, and we still got to set up a TV. I mean, it's there, but I don't have the stands for it anymore, and we got to like mount it on the wall. So yeah, we don't even want to be in this room. It's really hot. The air conditioning doesn't work over here. Anyways, I will take you guys this way. I feel like I'm doing some sort of like MTV. I don't know. I'm not that important. I don't know why you guys want to watch this, but anyways, people requested it. So over here. This is where the washer and dryer is going to go. Okay, is going to go. Got to get that in there. And then like the secondary, I guess this is like the main dining room. There's another spot over there. But this has got a little desk set up for now. And I wouldn't tell you how many times people just nailed their head on this thing. So that's probably got to come down. But let me take you, let's go to the fun part first. We're going to go downstairs, okay? There's absolutely nothing down there yet, but that's where the office is going to be, okay? It's super cold down there. I love it. Air conditioned. We'll take you down there. Again, most homes around here don't have a basement, so it is really unique, and that was an attractive feature for me. Let's head down here. Where's that fan I'm gonna squeak in. But anyways, so it's got a mini bar, and there's a mini fridge inside of there, and a lot of space. So it's pretty echoey. We can definitely gotta get some furniture, but there's gonna be 2 big L desks, like over here, and then another desk against that wall, and then probably a conference table in the middle. So that's the plan for this. I'll definitely show you guys an office tour once it's done, because it's gonna be so sick with like 15 monitors across the desks and crazy stuff. So let's head in here. Turn off this fan. I have no idea what we're gonna do with this room. It's small and it's really echoey, so I have no plans. But anyways, yeah, we're gonna get some big whiteboards from Home Depot on the wall. I just want to show you. This goes up to the backyard, so there's a staircase. I don't know if this is open, but just want to take a quick peek. Oh, someone's sweatshirt. Anyways, yeah, it goes up right to the pool. So from downstairs you can easily access it, which will be great. You know, if you got 2 people working down here and you got to step out to take a call, you can just go outside, which is nice. So that's the basement. There's one more room. We'll probably turn into some sort of work-related thing. There's a bathroom as well. Yeah, and then we'll head upstairs real quick. It's just so many stairs. It looks cool, 3 stories, but it's just so many stairs. Anyways, unfortunately, and this is going to be something we definitely have to fix, the Wi-Fi router only works up here, which is kind of weird. None of the other ports work in the house to plug in the Wi-Fi, so we're definitely going to have to get extenders. I don't really get any signal at all in the basement or in the master bedroom, so gotta fix that. Let's take a peek in here at one room. Currently got an air mattress, but these rooms are really cool because you're up and you have like city light views at night, which is really cool on the upstairs. A little bathroom here if you want to give them a peek. I really like the style. Super nice. A big walk-in closet too, which is neat. Again, we're still setting up. Bed in here. Yeah, they're basically the same closets. You can get a reference from that one. Same size, just different layout. Here's another room. Desk, TV, and a bed. And you can, if I can open this, I think. I'm gonna do this. You can take a little look. So, the big carport. And that's what I was talking about. That fence, the gate right there, it goes all the way back. So you can park 3 or 4 more cars there, and it won't get a lot of sunlight on it during the day, which is great, just because it's blocked by the building. So, yeah, definitely solid. Bathroom as well. Again, these 2 rooms are basically the same layout. I think this one might be a little bit bigger if I remember correctly. Just a little bit of a different layout. So that's one of those things. And then for anyone, if you ever come over here, which I don't really think I'm gonna have many people over, but this is the secret exit to jump off the roof. That's where I went the other day. So yeah, that's kind of the secret there. So let me take you guys back down real quick to the front of the house. There you go, come on out. Please, enjoy. So yeah, that is the house. Yeah, I mean, it's gonna be super fun. I'm excited to fill it up. Finally get furnished. We got a little pond. I don't know if we can put some fish in there or something, but it's got a cool waterfall. We're gonna put a ping pong table out here. But yeah, I really like the space. Super cool house. One of the favorite ones I've seen over the last few months. So very excited to be here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the tour. If you did, be sure to drop a like down below and let me know in the comments if I should throw some sort of housewarming party or maybe just a party. I mean, it's in a community where I don't think most people live here. I mean, these are like investment houses. I've seen like 2 neighbors out of the 6 in this little gated community. So shouldn't be a problem. A lot of fun. You know, we can be out here. We usually work until like 3, 4, 5 a.m. Last night was 5:30 in the morning. You know, in the middle of that, we'll just go swim in the pool for a half hour and bump some music. So it's been a lot of fun. Super excited for the next chapter, the next journey. Gonna be in this house for a little while. So yeah, get ready for the YouTube studios that are gonna come. Definitely gonna have 2, one in that office and one in the main room, and maybe one other at another point, okay? So other than that, stay tuned to the channel because I've got 2 new cars, one that I picked up 2 days ago and one that I'm picking up tonight. I'm gonna be making separate videos, you know, going through the cars, the specifics, explain that whole situation, getting some fun clips and maybe getting into some trouble with it. So make sure to subscribe to the channel down below. And with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
I'm in the hood and the ladies saying 50 you hot. They like me, I want them to love me like they love pop. Holla in New York for show, they tell you I'm local. The plan is to put the rap game in the choke. I'm fully focused, man. My money on my mind.